Here's the third time. Again, comes up a little bit faster. I'm going to go about halfway up to the stops. Okay, then we're going to go back down. So this is the third time. Once it goes the rest of the way down, I'm going to use my Allen wrench. We're going to hit the bleeder here on this side. So let me, I'll grab my camera and I'll get it close for the first time to do this, just so you can see it, so you can see what that looks like. All right, guys, so you have the really close-up view there. So let me get my Allen wrench out. And I'm going to expect that I'm going to get a little bit of fluid. So I can go ahead and get my hex key in there. There you go. Still a little bit of air coming out. Sounds like it stopped. Okay, so then I'm going to tighten back up. Now, I'm going to do that on the other side as well, so we can do both sides at the same time, right? But we're going to clean that up. Now, remember at this point, I'm going to go do the other side, but then we're going to bring it back up an inch, bleed it again, bring it back up an inch, bleed it again, then all the way back down, okay? And then we're going to go through the same up, down 3 times and bleed a couple of more times until you don't get any more air out of the system at all. Okay, so go ahead and get that all taken care of, and your system is going to be almost ready to use. All right, so you can see I still have it up on the lift blocks, but they're all done. So I'm really pleased. It took about 2 cycles. It may take you more until you're not getting any air out of the bleed cylinders at all. Okay, so at this point, you can just take them and put them away.